Hello everyone, I'm BodineVictoria. Welcome to my kitchen and this is my pot. We ain't got no long talking to do today. We making some curry crab. BodinePot is sponsored by Showman Bistro, your friendly neighborhood meal kit Bahamas. Well, meal kit, not right now, but what they do have is the Showman restaurant, an experience that encompasses food and flavors from all around the world. They're getting ready to open its doors and there's so much artwork, so much to see and so much to taste, and we can't wait for you to experience it all. We want you to follow the Showman Bistro Instagram page for more information. Now, I know plenty of y'all done tune in today because y'all want to see that old school land crab, but guess what? Crab season just getting started, and my people from Long Island and a couple of them from Andros fattening up some crab for me because I need them to be clean before we have crab week here on the on the BodinePot. But I just want you to know that we could do no muss, no fuss curry crabs. I didn't feel like cleaning no crabs, so I ain't cleaning them. And hey, no freshness out of y'all today, okay? Behave yourself. Let's get this recipe started. Start off with a tablespoon of coconut oil. Now we're going to add about a cup. Y'all know I love a cup. That's my measurement. It's a cup of red onions. We're going to take a tablespoon of our minced garlic and throw that in there as well. And yes, I still have my Showman ginger. You're going to take about a tablespoon or a half a tablespoon of your ginger. Throw that in here as well. Add just a little bit more. And we're going to allow this to just kind of heat up a little bit. Gonna add some dried thyme. Oops, too much. And we're going to take about, if you want a really creamy one, you're going to use the whole container. If you don't want it super creamy, then you can use your regular half a can of coconut milk. The coconut milk adds not only flavor, but it also helps to thicken your curry. This is a vegetable broth cube that I tried to dissolve, but you want to take it, you want to kind of dissolve it a little bit, and you're going to add that for some more flavor. And now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of water so that our gravy, it can actually simmer. We want it to simmer. Okay, now our curry is simmering. We're gonna add a tablespoon of butter, yes, because crabs deserve butter. And now we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt. No more than a teaspoon, please. You can add more as you go, but for right now, we just need a teaspoon, no more than a teaspoon. And for dishes like this, the main thing that we're doing is we are focusing on the gravy as well as being able to dip the crab meat in the gravy. So we're not doing a whole lot of carrots and potatoes because it's not about the carrots and potatoes. This is my Ignite pepper flakes. Y'all know I love me some Ignite pepper flakes. Goat pepper, it's nice and ground. Well, it's ground goat pepper. No more than that because my mouth just be burning. We're going to add some of this crushed peppercorns that Showman gave me because I like the taste of crushed peppercorns. A little bit more pepper. Okay, now it's time to add our peppers. And we're adding them like this because we don't want them to completely disintegrate inside our curry pot. And now we're going to add a pound of our crab legs in here. and we're just gonna let the gravy do its work. So because these are already cooked and we want them to stay nice and juicy, we are going to just allow our pot to simmer, guys. Simmer, okay? You're not putting this up on super high and, you know, doing the most. You need to let it simmer. Drop a little gold pepper inside there, just like that. Gonna salt our crab legs just a little bit more. And we're gonna keep it on low, and we're going to allow this to do what it do. And don't forget that if you want great food, great fun, great experiences, something that's a little different from the norm with vegan, vegetarian, and meat-eating options, you want to go all the way down to the Showman Bistro restaurant on Mackey Street. It's opening very soon, and I cannot wait for you to experience all of the tastes and flavors that chef and the team have been putting together. It's going to be amazing. Go to the Showman Bistro website as well as the Instagram page for more information. Guess what, guys? We are almost done with all of our crab goodness. So if you notice, our crab has started to make its own gravy water, and that, say gravy water, like that is what makes it so delicious. And can you imagine if these is like native crabs? Yes, darling, yes. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have our coconut curry crab with a special curry spice blend, but you can use any curry that you like. I'm so excited about this because I feel like I am going to really love the sweetness of the coconut milk and the coconut oil that we use to make this, plus the crispness of the cilantro. Then you're gonna top it with a little bit of lemon. Online, I say do all two, because we like citrus here, and citrus and curry go together perfectly. Then you also have the juiciness of these Lucayan Tropic tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes. Perfect not only for color but for flavor and to kind of cleanse your palate in between bites of the curry, plus the juicy sweet crab meat. Now this dish would be a whole lot better with native crabs, but the crab season is just getting started. The crabs are just walking, and you know what? I cannot wait to get me some from Tara from Long Island, or Akila, who has the already cleaned crabs that I used in the crab and dough recipe, as well as one of my other recipes. I think it was the crab and rice recipe. Also, y'all look out, because Crab Week is coming in June. I got some recipes for y'all. So catch up on the other ones, you know, in the playlist. I'll link them below. And if you know me, you know I pulled all of my Showman ingredients out of my pantry and out of my spice drawer, because you know Showman give me so many things that I have some inside the freezer, the pantry, the spice drawer. I mean, it is such incredible value for money, and they are bringing you a new culinary experience. Go check the restaurant out when they open. Follow the Showman Bistro Instagram page for updates, details, and more fun. And speaking of fun, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to don't forget that you can like this video if you enjoyed my recipe. I'd greatly appreciate it. And for those of you that comment every single week, you know, go down and comment. But I want to say thank you to all of these beautiful women that comment every single week. You know, you guys have been rolling with me. If you want to be a commenter, well, that's easy. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know each and every time I upload. And don't forget, sharing is caring. Share this with other people. I'm also going to be looking for more tangible ways to give back to you guys, because we are a year old, about to hit our 500 subscriber on YouTube mark, as well as I think we just hit 1,200 subscribers on our Instagram page. So happy. If you're not following there, go and follow us at BodinePot Show on Instagram and Facebook. I'm going to be updating the BodinePot recipes on the website over the summer. I'm sorry guys, but going back to school really has been very, very, very taxing, and by the time I'm finished with the computer screens at school, I really don't want to do anything else. So I've been focusing on getting the recipes out, but the recipes, the printed recipes, are going to be coming up for you to catch up on this summer. So thank you guys so much for all your patience. All right, okay, having said that, y'all, it's time for me to enjoy my crab, and I think I want to have it with, I think I want dumplings. You could have it with rice, you could have it with some kind of bread, but I think I want mine with dumplings, and that's that on that. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, don't let any and everybody dig up in your crab pot. Bye.